Once, in a quiet village surrounded by golden fields, lived a boy named Sammy. Though young, he often sat by the river and dreamed of the future. He'd whisper to the wind, "One day I'll be a father. I'll tell stories to my son, teach him how to fish, and laugh with him under the stars." Years passed. Sammy grew taller, stronger, and wiser. He explored forests, built a small house with his own hands, and learned the value of kindness and patience. Eventually, Sammy had a son, a curious, bright-eyed child named Zane. Together, they did everything Sammy once dreamed of: splashed in the river, made boats out of bark, and chased fireflies in the fields. Zane would ask, "Baba, were you always a father?" And Sammy would smile. "No, I was a boy once, just like you. But I carried you in my heart before you ever existed." One night, as they lay on a blanket under a starry sky, Zane whispered, "One day, I'll have a son too. I'll be just like you." Sammy closed his eyes and held him close. The boy he once was had grown into a father, and in his son's dreams, he saw the next chapter beginning.